Alright guys, thanks for tuning back in. So this is a VW T6, it's a 2017 model. And I wanted to talk about one of the faults and one of the problems that I've got with this car. Maybe if you've got the same symptoms, then this could be the same issue with your vehicle, alright? But it's kind of like, well, I've got two issues, right? But this issue is kind of two-parted. So the two things that are wrong with it is first of all, it's got an oil leak. So we've got oil, and my driveway is kind of peppered with little oil spots. So we got that, and then also the car, when I'm kind of driving it, it's like we're getting a lot of jerkiness. So when I'm putting it into gear, first and second pulling off, there's like so much jerkiness. When I start the car, there's a little bit of a rumble, a judder, and then when I'm actually putting it into gear, when I'm stationary, we're also getting like a judder and a jerk. Now these are linked because, well, in this particular case, I'm not saying that every single scenario and every single case is going to be exactly the same, but what I am going to say is that in this particular case, the problem is we've got the oil leak. Okay, now the oil is dripping onto the clutch plate, so it's finding a way to get into the clutch plate, and the residue is sitting on the clutch. So what that's meaning is that the vehicle is finding it difficult to kind of engage properly, which is what's causing the judder and the violent sort of like, I don't know how to describe it, like a jerking motion when you're changing gears and when you're putting it into gear. It's mainly more prominent when I'm starting the car, when I'm putting it into first gear, putting it into second, sometimes third. Fourth and fifth and sixth, you generally don't really feel it that much, but you definitely feel it lower down in the gears and in the rev range. And then kind of like as you're lower down in the rev range, putting your foot on and off the accelerator, you kind of really feel it. So the answer is, obviously we need to clean the clutch plate and things like that. And obviously, you know, it might open a can of worms when we're in there. We might find something else which is kind of a bigger issue as well. So I'm not saying that these two things are just the only thing you have to deal with. First and foremost, we need to locate the exact oil leak, find the oil leak and stop the oil leak, and then clean the clutch plate, clean everything around the clutch area, and then hopefully it should be okay. So that is this scenario in this particular circumstance. All right, we have I'm not an expert, by the way, so don't go coming on here saying, oh, you know, like that's not the case or blah blah blah. Like, it might not be the case for you, or it might not be the case for anyone else. Like, it might be the case for some people, but we've had this properly diagnosed at the VW specialist, and they said they've seen this thing like happen a lot, so they are like 99% nailed on that that's what's going to be the case here. So I'm not going to do the work myself. I am going to give it to the specialist to do. But I really just wanted to make this video just to, like, in case anyone was having these symptoms or scenarios, just to sort of give you a heads up as to what it might be. And hopefully you might, you know, I don't know if you're handy with the spanners and the tools, you might be able to do this yourself. Or if not, then, you know, give it to the garage. But it gives you an idea of maybe what to expect, all right? So that's it. In the previous fault, I did a previous video with, we've got like a faulty AGR pipe and a faulty AGR sensor. I've diagnosed them with the VORS version 3.0. I'll pop the link to that in the description below this video because it's a really good tool for the VW T6. Got my dog patiently waiting there. We're about to go out for a walk. Aren't we, son? Gonna go for walkies? See, let's get that camera out of my face. All right, okay, so I'm going to leave that information with you. And like I say, I just hope this has helped someone, maybe give you peace of mind as to what the problem is. It sounds like it might be the end of the world, but honestly, I don't think it is. All right, see you next time.